GarageBand versus Logic Pro versus Bandlab versus Cubasis 3. Only this time,
it's spooky!
That's right, seeing as it's Halloween, what better way to pit the 4 main iOS DAWs against each other than by seeing how they interpret MIDI arrangements of the ultimate creepy banger, Micheal Jackson's
Thriller!
I'm sorry, that's the last time, I promise. The last time we did this, I brought MIDI arrangements into this DAWs and didn't change anything, just played the projects back for better or worse in some cases. The one exception was GarageBand's ridiculous horn ensemble instrument.
Oh God! No! God, please, no! 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 No!
I ended up swapping that out for its French horn instrument, as the horn ensemble is absolutely ridiculous. And yes, GarageBand did populate one of the imported tracks this time around with that same horn ensemble instrument. Yes, I did swap it out. I also adjusted the volumes of some tracks, as in Logic and Cubasis 3 especially, some instruments were imported at weird volumes, so I've increased or decreased the volume of some tracks as needed. Right then, here's how GarageBand, Logic Pro, Cubasis 3 and Bandlab's versions of Micheal Jackson's Thriller sound. GarageBand gave a good account of itself there actually. As I mentioned, I swapped out the silly horn ensemble instrument. The drums sound great and the instrument used for the bass line in particular is fantastic. Some of the more ambient sounds, especially more towards the end of the track, were a wee bit off maybe, but a good effort overall. Bandlab also did a pretty good job, though some of the drum sounds used here weren't really my cup of tea, to be honest. I do really like the synth used for the bass line though, and some of the instrumentation, especially towards the end of the track, is really interesting too. Logic Pro then, and it does miraculously actually sound pretty good. Apple really know how to make great sounding MIDI drum instruments, and that shows here. But the choir sounds and the choruses added a really nice gothic flavour to the track as well, I thought. The lead synth sound is really good too, though once again, those cheapo sounding guitars do bring the overall quality of the track down a bit. We all know how good Cubasis 3's built-in instruments sound, and it's produced the most well-rounded version of Thriller here, I think. Guitars, organs, synth pads all sound great, though I'm a little torn on the default synth sound for the lead, if I'm honest. Having said that, this is still, in my opinion anyway, the best overall version. But what do you think? Please leave a comment below and let me know which DAW performed best in your opinion. If you like this video and want to see more like it, leave a song request in your comment too, and I might use it for a future DAW head-to-head type video thing. Give that like button a jump scare on the way past and watch this video next to see how these iOS DAWs compared when recreating other popular songs.